Who said Hellcat can't turn, man? You're lying. Who said Hellcat can't turn? You lying. You just don't know how to push it.
Run up on me playing, I'ma hit it at your face. And they go for anybody, anyway. I'm a rich player, by the way. And I'm every swag, rolling old like a tank. Bitch scared, yeah, I got these bitches on the
Cold start. And this time it shouldn't cut off because it's got no check engine light. Guys, welcome back to another video. Now I'm saying we're in the Hellcat today. Ooh, big cat on the side. Had to upgrade the badge once it got fast. But we're gonna take you for a drive, you know what I'm saying? Just a little something, cause you know I got nothing to post and I want to post something. So the usual, just put on the camera on my head and we're gonna go for a drive, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you follow the IG. We got the Aturas on the back, they're wearing down a little bit, but still new tires on the front. And I mean, Hellcat around 730 horsepower. Can't complain about it. To the wheel, when I make a video and I say 800, that's to the crank, that's to what gets to the engine. When I say 730, that's what the wheel received, that's what it dynotes. So I mean, let's go for a drive, man. It needs a wash. Let's go full truck. Yeah. Plus I hope I don't throw on my wife's shoes too much, because you know she brought me out for my birthday yesterday, and you know when the ladies wear heels, they bring their flats too. Yeah. Recording good? Alright. Yo, I tried to fix the camera as good as possible. Hopefully it's good enough for you guys, you know. It's a cool day, you know. So far. Then I sleep, I was never planned for this at all. That's what she sounds like, yeah? But let's go. Making a bunch of noise. This is half gas. Yo. Them pops are amazing. I can't even lie. Them pops be amazing. Hello, officer. What's good? Let off a little bit at the end there. Holy shit. It's like, I know it's fast, but when you look at the speed, yo, and you see it, you're like, what the hell? It's never good to downshift into first gear because it has too much compression. I'm gonna pause my line on there, Richie, for a second, you see me? So it's never really a good thing to downshift into first gear because first gear it's going to put way too much compression on it, so not really good to downshift into first gear. Oh, there else I'm going there. There's the cop lights. Hear them pops. Yo, I love the pops. That's my favorite thing about this car. The pops and bangs and the shoe flames. So it's like, hell yeah, That shit is nice as hell. Here, my boy coming off the clutch. Top speed, 202 miles per hour. Oh, the bump. Okay, good. 8.6 now. 202, man. They're at 60. After these bumps. This is where the other Hellcat broke the control arm that night. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back and watch that video. Don't go in front, please. Damn, he just ruined that shit. Or maybe not. Third gear, 60. Damn. Trap mode shifts, man, are never. Just gonna stop right here and make a U-turn when I'm done. I'm gonna put it in sport for the shifts, man. Trap mode shifts are too flawed. Dang. Alright, now I'm actually show you guys the speed, man. Let's get this show on the road. I wanna do a 60 roll. So we got 60, you know, you blow it off. Purr, purr, purr. You know what I'm saying? And you win the race. And then you do some of that. That way, you know, you ain't pressing on your brakes too much. And then you and you hear the pops. Yeah. Yeah. You may get in the spirit a little bit, get a little jiggy. You know what I'm saying? You made that U-turn. And let's go burn some tires, man. How me I drive this? Then you get some pops. 2 corners of Mexico, right? Who said Hellcat can't turn, man? You're lying. Who said Hellcats can't turn? You lying. You just don't know how to push it. You just don't know how to push it. Hellcats can turn. These boats handle. You just got to know how to do it. You know what I'm saying? Let the boat turn. Let the boat turn. And it can turn without any oversteer either. See? Just about how much gas you put it in. Don't tell lies. And then if you want to push it, you know what I'm saying? See what I'm talking about? If you want to, you can definitely give it an oversteer. Turn it right here. And the brakes are good too. Y'all need to stop telling lies on Hellcats, man, because they can turn. They can turn. The guy over there getting jiggy with it. He said, whip it. I got you. Jiggy with it, baby! Yeah! Yeah! You just gotta get jiggy with it! Uh-huh! Oh, it just screamed! Oh my god! Baby, you don't do that! Don't do that! No, don't do that! Don't do that, mama! Don't do that! Ooh! X! Hellcats can turn, guys. I know I'm over-exaggerating a little bit, but Hellcats can turn. Don't be going around telling no lies about these boats can't turn. These boats can turn. You just got to know how to make it turn. You're turning in, you know what I'm saying? You want it to come out, you know, you add a little power and let it step out a little bit like, eh, you know what I'm saying? Or if you don't want it to step out, you ease into the power. Use a higher gear. Come on now, man. Watch the racing line, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that's the Babylon! And just like that! Yo, this car get me super fucking hyped. Exhaust wise, only thing it has the cat delete. That's the exhaust. That was the Hellcat. I'm gonna show you under the engine. It's kind of dirty. As I said, it needs to be washed. My boy Vengeance supposed to come through. You know, Supreme Clean, our image, any one of them, in the matter. But yeah, that's the Hellcat, man. Green pulley, smaller pulley, leg maker intake. That's what makes it whine like crazy. And then you got that, you know, cat delete. Put a little exhaust, that's why it pops, that's why it shoots flames. It's not tuned for the flames, but because it's natural flames. It's not forced flame, it's natural flames. So I mean, that's the Hellcat, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. See you guys next time. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Follow the IG too.